Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VLOOKUP versus INDEX MATCH. We'll explore how each function helps you retrieve specific data from large datasets in Excel. Understanding their differences is key to choosing the right tool for your data analysis tasks. We'll cover their mechanics, advantages, and limitations so you can confidently apply them in your spreadsheets. Let's dive in and see which one best suits your needs. VLOOKUP is a straightforward function designed for vertical lookups. You provide a lookup value, specify the table array, indicate the column number from which to return a value, and choose an exact or approximate match. Its main limitation is that the lookup value must always be in the first column of your selected table, and it can only look to the right for results. Index match combines two powerful functions. The match function finds the position of your lookup value within a specified range, returning a number. Then, the index function uses that number to retrieve a value from another range at that exact position. This combination allows for lookups in any direction, not just left to right, and offers much greater flexibility. While VLOOKUP is easier to set up for simple, left-to-right searches, index match provides superior flexibility and robustness. It's unaffected by column insertions or deletions, and it can look up values to the left of your lookup column. For complex data models, or when future data changes are likely, index match is often the more reliable and efficient choice for your Excel tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.